Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. First off, happy Independence Day everyone. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern and east central North Dakota, far northeastern South Dakota, and parts of northwestern Minnesota. Cities in today's slate include Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Hibbing, Minnesota. And we have a marginal today that encompasses eastern Oregon, most of Idaho, far northeastern Nevada, northern Utah, south central Montana, most of Wyoming, the north central part of the Panhandle of Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, most of Nebraska, far northwestern Iowa, most of South Dakota, parts of North Dakota, much of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and the northwestern part of the UP of Michigan. Cities in today's marginal include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Salt Lake City, Utah, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and West Valley City, Utah. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Hibbing, Minnesota. Going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers east central and southeastern North Dakota, far northeastern South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, and Hibbing, Minnesota. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers parts of east central Oregon, far northeastern Nevada, much of Idaho, northern Utah, south central Montana, most of Wyoming, the north central part of the Panhandle of Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, most of Nebraska, most of South Dakota, central North Dakota, northwestern Iowa, most of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and the northwestern part of the UP of Michigan. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Salt Lake City, Utah, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and West Valley City, Utah. And going to the hail threat, there are actually two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering east, central Oregon, a tiny bit of northeast Montana, not Montana, let me start over. This 5% hail risk area over here encompasses east, central Oregon, the extreme northeastern Nevada, southern Idaho, and west central Wyoming. And the second 5% hail risk today covers north central South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, and northern Minnesota. The 5% hail risk areas today include Fargo, North Dakota, Boise, Idaho, Idaho Falls, Idaho, Pocatello, Idaho, and Grand Forks, North Dakota. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible later today into the evening over the upper Midwest. Severe gusts will be the primary hazard. Isolated severe gusts and hail may also occur from eastern Oregon into portions of the northern Great Basin and Rockies. So, that's your Day 1 Outlook. So, anyway, and by the way, I forgot to mention that I am filling in for Severe Weather Tracker 1000 for the next few days since he's going through a hard time right now. So, I'm filling in for him for these outlooks. But I also want to mention that I will not be able to have the day 2 outlook today because I'm going to a party this afternoon for my cousin. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. You don't know what they can do sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight. Okay? If you're having anything outdoors today, like a barbecue or picnic or whatever, or going to see fireworks, please have a way of being notified for severe weather today, whether that be your phone, TV, or radio, but more specifically your phone and radio. Okay? So anyway, stay safe today, and I will have my day 1 outlook tomorrow morning. Take care.